Hello everyone! Before diving into today's topic, we want to take a moment to thank you for your support. Every like, comment, and subscription truly makes a difference and helps this channel grow. If you enjoy our content and don't want to miss our upcoming videos, subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell to receive all updates. Alpha Centauri, the closest star system to us, could be constantly sending microparticles in our direction. These tiny interstellar fragments regularly enter our atmosphere, but until now, we haven't noticed them. Can you imagine that some pebbles in our stream beds or an apparently insignificant rock in our garden might actually be extraterrestrial visitors? It could be that fragments from another star system have reached us after a millennia-long journey through the depths of the cosmos. For the first time, scientists have published a groundbreaking study on these possible interstellar visitors and their implications for our world. Recent research shows that material from the Alpha Centauri system has already reached our solar system. Located just over 4 light-years away, Alpha Centauri consists of 3 stars: Alpha Centauri A and B, a pair of binary stars, and Proxima Centauri, a faint red dwarf. This system is moving toward us at a speed of 22 km or about 79,000 km. Researchers hypothesize that such movements could facilitate the transfer of material between the 2 star systems. This exchange of matter could be a more common process than previously thought, suggesting that our solar system is not isolated, but part of a cosmic network of interactions. New research methods now offer unique opportunities to study this phenomenon. According to a recent study, large amounts of material from Alpha Centauri could be accumulating in the Oort cloud, a vast region at the edge of our solar system. Traditionally attributed solely to the formation of our system, some scientists now suggest that the Oort cloud may also have been influenced by material exchanges with Alpha Centauri. In addition to comets of various sizes, the cloud could contain up to 1 million particles ranging from tiny dust grains to objects over 100 meters in diameter. This discovery opens new perspectives on the formation and evolution of our solar system, suggesting that its history is intertwined with that of other star systems. Observing these objects presents a major challenge due to their distance and distribution. However, it is hypothesized that the Oort cloud may act as a protective barrier, capturing and retaining interstellar objects before they can enter our solar system. This would reduce the risk of impacts with Earth or other planets while simultaneously offering an extraordinary opportunity for study. Analyzing these materials could provide valuable clues about the chemical and mineralogical composition of Alpha Centauri and help answer fundamental questions about the origin of life and the existence of habitable conditions beyond our solar system. In recent years, larger interstellar objects like Oumuamua and the Borisov comet have attracted much attention. Although they were the first officially detected interstellar visitors, it is likely that many smaller fragments enter our solar system each year without being noticed. Simulations suggest that about 10 Alpha Centauri particles could enter Earth's atmosphere annually in the form of visible meteors. If this is true, some of the rocks we see falling from the sky may have traveled for millions of years before reaching us. This perspective revolutionizes our understanding of the origin of materials on Earth and opens the door to a new era of geological and astronomical studies. A fascinating question concerns the impact of this alien material on our planet. While there is no evidence of direct effects on ecosystems, scientists believe that these rocks have remained unchanged during their long journey through space. Furthermore, there are no indications that they could be dangerously radioactive. According to simulations, over 110 million years, approximately 190,000 particles would have been ejected from Alpha Centauri, with a small percentage, 0.03%, reaching our solar system. This suggests that our planet may have been receiving a constant flow of interstellar material for millions of years, enriching its composition with elements from other corners of the galaxy. These studies are providing new insights into how material from other star systems can arrive in our solar system and what effects it might have. Research shows that a significant amount of interstellar material from Alpha Centauri is already here and could be present on Earth in the form of small stones and rock fragments. Although the probability of larger objects approaching the Sun remains low, simulations are helping scientists better understand the dynamics of these cosmic interactions. Perhaps one day it will be possible to precisely trace the origin of a meteorite and confirm without a doubt that it is a fragment from Alpha Centauri. The case of Oumuamua, discovered in 2017, was a real shock for the scientific community. With its elongated shape and anomalous behavior, it was the first confirmed interstellar object to pass through our solar system. Its hyperbolic trajectory suggests that it had traveled for millions, if not billions, of years before arriving here. Moreover, its slight acceleration, which could not be explained by gravity alone, led to intriguing hypotheses. Some scholars suggested that it might be an artificial alien probe. However, its exact composition remains a mystery. The Borisov comet, discovered in 2019, made the study of interstellar objects easier. Unlike Oumuamua, Borisov behaved like a typical comet, displaying a coma and a tail of gas and dust. Spectral analyses revealed a high concentration of carbon monoxide, suggesting that it originated from a star system colder than ours. Before leaving the solar system, Borisov fragmented into two parts, a common phenomenon for comets. These discoveries are redefining our understanding of the universe and the continuous exchange of matter between star systems. What once seemed to belong only to science fiction may already be a reality on Earth. Small fragments of another star system may already be beneath our feet, waiting to be discovered. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.